Hi everyone, welcome back to Forward Therapy. My name is Kelly. I am a certified hand therapist, and in today's quick video I want to show you a few ways that you can help mobilize and soften some of the tissue when you have thumb arthritis or thumb pain. If you're having pain sort of through this muscle wad or around the base of the thumb or around the joints, oftentimes the muscles inside of the thumb are actually very tight, and sometimes it feels really good to do a little bit of self-massage. So I want to show you a few of my favorite strategies in this video. First technique is doing a little bit of light traction. You're going to place the affected hand on top of your head and lightly grasp the meaty part of your thumb with your other hand. And then the nice thing is you just let gravity help you. Let that arm that is grabbing the thumb just relax. Let the weight of the arm help traction or distract that joint out. Be very gentle with this, of course. And next we're going to do a web space stretch. You're going to meet those two parts of the thumbs together, the web space of the thumbs. You're going to apply a little bit of pressure. I'm exaggerating just to show you in this video. But you're going to apply a little bit of pressure together and then spread your fingers and your thumbs open, and you should feel a really nice stretch through the skin of that web space area. So again, light pressure, spread those fingers apart, and you should feel a little bit of a web space stretch. I love these little super balls or bouncy balls to do a little bit of self-massage. So you just literally roll on top of it, roll through all of the meaty parts of the thumb, through the muscles. You could actually go into the palm if you like to, find any spots that feel good and hold pressure. And you could do this really a couple times a day if you need to. It usually feels really nice. And finally, the chip clip. These are those little clips that you get to use on your chip bags or snack bags. If you just literally clip that into the meat of the thumb right in that web space, and then just let your hand relax, sit there for a couple minutes and chill, that will release that muscle tension as well. So this is also a really good little self-massage technique that you can use at home. Lucky for me, therapy is a really collaborative and wonderful community of people that are willing to share treatment ideas. You go to conferences, lectures, you watch continuing education online, you connect with people through LinkedIn and Facebook, and so many different resources that you can find amazing hand therapists with all of this awesome knowledge to share. I will say that these techniques are things that I have picked up in my career from other people, from colleagues, from mentors, from continuing education speakers and classes and courses and all of the above. I want to give special mention to Jan Albrecht and her book, The Caring for the Painful Thumb, which is an amazing resource. I want to really thank Virginia O'Brien as well. A lot of my thumb CMC treatment ideas come from her and her research. And then the chip clips, I think I learned from Alison Taylor originally. So okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Again, thank you to the amazing hand therapists and people in our field that are continuing to provide knowledge, share their expertise, give us all of these amazing ideas that we can implement in our clinical practice. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.